Hey guys, it's me Pawan Dakal, and in this Systeme IO email marketing tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send emails using newsletter. Similarly, I'll show you how to build campaigns, and then I'll also talk about this statistics. Similarly, you can also create email automation workflow, which I'll show you, and I'm going to cover all of these things in a step-by-step process so that you can follow along. But before that, I have a special bonus for you. If you haven't signed up to Systeme.io, you can use my referral link that is in the description of this video to sign up to Systeme.io, and you'll get this free course where I have shown everything that you need to do inside Systeme.io. And whenever you face any problem, you can simply come to this course and watch the tutorials that are available in this course and overcome the problem. Similarly, just by using that link, you will instantly get all of these policy pages, privacy policy, terms of service, disclosure, DMCA, and contact us page, which you can use in your opt-in page later. You can just edit it and use this page again and again, like by just changing this with your domain name. Okay, so now without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, in order to before starting to send your emails, you firstly need to come here over your mouse here and click on settings, and then in mailing setting, you need to have a business email here. If you don't have a business email, or if you don't know how to create it, then I have shown you that inside this course. You can simply watch this and be able to create your own business email. Similarly, you need to put your sender name at here, and if you want to receive test emails, then you can put your common email, that Gmail, Yahoo Mail at here. And whenever you create any email, you can simply click on test email and receive the preview of the email that you are going to send to your email list. Okay, and you can see tick mark this if you want to show affiliate badge below your emails. And similarly, in case of unsubscribe, you can change this text, I think. Okay, whatever you want to write, and at the end just type unsubscribe so that people can know that with this button they can unsubscribe from your list. It is important to put this unsubscribe button to every footer of your email. Okay, so once you have all of these things, then first thing you need to do is you should hover your mouse over here and click on tags. So tags is a kind of a segmentation of your all emails. For example, you can call it a email list also. Okay, like in this tag, that is this my get response old email list, I have 91 emails. Okay, and they all are inside this tag. Now whenever I need to send a newsletter, I can simply select this tag and send all the emails to these 91 people. Okay, so now firstly, let's see by creating newsletter. So over your mouse over here and click on newsletter. Now you can simply click on create a newsletter and give the subject. So let's see, this is the subject line that people will receive. Now you can select from visual editor and classic editor. Okay, always select this classic editor because you don't want to use image and this kind of lots of things, so that if you use this kind of things, then most likely your email will go to either spam section or promotion section. So it is always a best idea to use simple classic editor where there are no any kind of image and that kind of stuff. Okay, and then simply click on create. Okay, so this is our subject line. Now you can type hi, and as you can see here, if you want to put first name, simply copy it and hi first name. I hope you are doing well. Here is the thing that you requested. Okay, you can type anything that you want in this section, and you can simply highlight it. If you want to make bold, italic, underline, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Simply select the area. If you want to put any link, simply click on there, select HTTPS and put your link at here. You can simply paste your link at here, and https may be automatically selected. Okay, if it is not selected, then please do select this, and then you can click on OK, and you have kept your link at here. Okay, now after typing all the email, you can see your unsubscribe button is here. Similarly, now it's time to select the tag that you want to send the email to. So in our case, maybe this one. Okay, there are 91 people in this list. Now let me just select this one. Okay, there are no any, I think, at least at here for now. And once you select that, you can also exclude. Okay, exclude, like if you select all, then just you can click on here and it will be excluded. Okay, in this way you can play with these things. So for now, let's select this one, and then so register over 0 days means, so let's say if someone have just subscribed today or yesterday, all of them will receive that email in this tag list. Okay, but if you type 30 days, registered over 30 days ago, okay, now someone who have just registered before 5 days will not receive this newsletter. Or just if someone have subscribed before 30 day will not receive, only over 30 days, that is 31 days, 31 day. In the 31 day, if someone have subscribed in 31 days, then before 31 days, then he or she will receive your newsletter. Okay, so now after completing all of these things, now you can simply click on save and schedule newsletter, and then you can check everything at here. Okay, if you want to send a test email, you can simply click on here, and test email, a preview of this email will be sent to this email address, as I have already talked about previously. You can schedule this newsletter maybe tomorrow at this much PM, okay, or AM, or you can simply click on send and it will be sent now. So you can simply click on send and it will be sent immediately. Okay, so let me send it and click on confirm. So as you can see, you have sent the newsletter. Now once you send this newsletter, then you can see here this was the selected tag. Okay, and as you can see, the one I have sent previously to 90 people, and open rate was 28 people opened that email. Okay, and one clicked on the link that was inside this email, and that was sent in this date. Okay, this is the status of the newsletter. Now let's go to campaigns. So now creating a campaign is one of the easiest thing that you can do. Okay, now what you can do is simply click on this plus and create, and give this campaign a name, new camp. You don't need to write anything in description. If you want, then you can simply click on save campaign. Okay, and then you can click on here. Now you can click on add an email. So now again you can put the subject line what it is. Okay, and select the classic editor and click on create, and then you can type the things that you want to type at here. Okay, so once you have typed everything, then you can save and send a test email if you want to preview. Okay, just you can do that and you'll receive an email in your test email. Similarly, you can click on save and publish. Okay, and here you can see delay before sending. Now your minutes, you can select like 10 minutes. Okay, whenever someone subscribe to your email list, then right after 10 minutes you can send it. Or what you can do is you can also select 0 minutes, and then they will immediately receive that email. Okay, now I don't know what this after means. I have seen nothing at here. So now time when emails should be sent, turn it off, because whenever people will subscribe to your list, that is the good time to send them email, and that this system I will do in an automatic way. So just turn on this so that your email will be sent each and every day whenever people subscribe to your email list. Now you can click on publish. So now you have created your first email at here, okay, and this will be sent immediately when someone subscribes, okay, as you can see here in 0 minute. Now what you can do is you can simply duplicate this email and click on confirm, and then you can change all the things that are here. You can change the subject line to anything other, and then you can test email, and or you can simply click on save and publish, and then select day after 1 day, and then just turn it on and click on publish. So now you can see the first email will be sent right after they subscribe. Now second email will be sent after 1 day, okay. In this way you can keep on adding more email at this, and you'll have a campaign that is full of your email. Now you have created your campaign. Now you need to attach this campaign to a funnel. So let's go to funnel and attach that campaign. So let's say so let's go to this one, and once you come to here, then you need to attach that automation here, so that just in the page where people will be subscribing, select that one, opt-in page, okay. So let's preview it. So this is an opt-in page, okay, an opt-in page, and you can simply go to automation rule, okay, and let me delete this one for now, and click on add rule, okay. Funnel step form subscribe. Whenever people subscribe to your from your form, that is, where is it, this, the opt-in page of this page, okay. Whenever people subscribe, then click on add action, and what you can do is click on add a tag, okay, and then choose a tag, which tag that you have created, just select that one. So let's select this one and click on save rule. Again click on here and click on add action. So another action would be subscribe to a campaign, okay. So now what you can do is choose the campaign that was new camp that we created. So now what will happen is whenever anyone subscribes to your email list from this opt-in form, opt-in page, then they will receive a tag of Systeme full course list. Now they will be in that email list, okay, and then they will be immediately subscribed to the campaign that you have just created. Now you can simply click on save rule and you're done. Now whenever someone subscribes, they will receive all the emails from these campaigns. Now we'll talk about this statistics. Let's click on statistics. So as you can see, number of emails sent, how much email have you sent. Similarly, average percentage of open email, how much is the open rate, okay. Average percent of the spam report for open email. So if someone have opened your email and marked it as a spam, then it will show at here average percent of bounce email, those email which have bounced, which was not able to hit the email inbox of a person who have subscribed to your list, that is bounce rate. And you can see here amount sent, amount opened, you can see this kind of stuff at here, okay. So now it's time for us to create workflow. So let's click on workflows. Now to create a workflow, you can simply click on create, okay, and give your name of the workflow, first workflow, and click on create, and then firstly activate this workflow and click on confirm. Now you can click on here, and now let's start to create workflow. So just click on here, create your first trigger. So our first trigger would be funnel from subscribe. Now which funnel that we need to select? Okay, so let's say our funnel is build your online business one. Let's click on create. So whenever people subscribe through this funnel, build your online business funnel, then action, apply a tag and give them this tag Systeme full course list, and then click on create. Now whenever someone subscribe to your email list by using with the help of this funnel, then they will get this Systeme full course list as a tag. They will be in that email list. Now you can simply click on add and click on action and send email. Send an email. You can also subscribe to a campaign from here, but we'll see to build automated email here. So let's click on send an email, and then you can select any existing email if you already have at here. Okay, you can select that, or you can click on create a new one and then give a subject line. And then click on save and edit email. Now you can type your message at here. After you finish typing, simply click on save. And then whenever someone subscribe to your list with this opt-in page, then they will be applied with this tag and they will immediately receive this email. Now click on here and click on delay. Okay, and you can say 1 day. Click on create, and now again after receiving this email, they will wait for 1 day and click on this and click on here and send an email. Okay, now you can select any email that you have previously. Just click on here and click on choose. So now they will wait for 1 day and receive this email. Now again you can click on here and delay, and again make them wait for 1 day and send another email. And you can either create a new one or select any one from the existing email and click on choose. So in this way you can you can create a workflow. Okay, so now what happens after you create this workflow? Let's say this build your online business opt-in page. Now you can exit from here. Okay, so now let's go here and let's see this opt-in page. So now whenever someone subscribe to this from this opt-in page, then according to this workflow, they will get a tag that is Systeme full course list. Okay, they will be in this list. Then they will immediately receive this email that we have created, and they will wait for 1 day and they will receive this email. Okay, in this way, and when the subscribed person will be in this tag here. Okay, it is as simple as this to send email marketing campaign, email marketing workflow, newsletter from Systeme. So guys, if you are interested to learn more in detail about how you can use everything inside Systeme, and you can simply use my referral link that is in the description of this video, and you'll be eligible to get this full course. I'll constantly add more tutorials inside this course, which you will not be able to find anywhere else. And similarly, you will also get all the policy pages just by using that referral link that is in the description of this video. So if you have any question, and I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section. Please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.